Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit USD from Binance to your XM account. First, log into your XM account and navigate to the deposit section. Choose USD as your preferred deposit method. Next, you'll need to select the correct network, such as TRC20 or ERC20, ensuring it matches the network you'll use on Binance. This step is crucial for a successful transfer. Now, switch over to your Binance account. Go to your Spot wallet and find your USD. Click on the withdrawal option. You'll then paste the USD deposit address you copied from your XM account into the recipient field. Double-check that the network you select on Binance, like TRC20, perfectly aligns with the network you chose on XM. A mismatch could lead to lost funds. Before confirming the withdrawal on Binance, take a moment to review all the details. Ensure the address and network are correct. Once confirmed, Binance will process your withdrawal. You can track the transaction status on both Binance and within your XM account's transaction history. Typically, USD deposits are quite fast, often appearing in your XM wallet within a few minutes. If your USD deposit takes longer than expected, don't hesitate to contact XM's customer support for assistance. They can help track the transaction. Remember, security is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication on both Binance and XM. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.